going on, guys?
Hey, what's happening?
I could write all purple. I don't.
You. She's mad at me again.
Just your average Joe.
That's it.
Subscribe, watch his channel. It's inspirational.
The Saturday after Thanksgiving, 2025. The map is showing that back at our old place in Illinois, they're getting dumped with way too much snow. And I'm out riding. That was a very gentle way to dig it in, so I'm going to shut up now. We are heading over to Lakeland Harley-Davidson. Went ahead and met one of my subscribers, and they invited us out, and we're heading over to Lakeland Harley-Davidson. It's about an hour, a little over an hour away from home, and that's where we're heading.
1 hour later.
So I'm over at Lakeland Harley-Davidson. Went ahead and already met some of the people here. It was awesome, including one of our viewers, which was really cool. Right there. And there's a crowd already happening here. I think they're doing a raffle in that, but they got 2026 models in, which is the part I'm actually kind of geeked out about. So we're going to take a look and see what they got going on. Let's go. What's going on, guys?
Hey, what's happening?
Then the wifey.
And yours are up there in conversation.
Yes, that's what I do. Sorry. So this is his ride. It's got a gorgeous street glide. This is actually custom. It's the stock seat. He had the cover replaced. Surefire covers, just like mine. Forest green look. Whew. Then his wife's ride right here. This is just gorgeous. Well, which one were you looking at? You said the
26 Street Glide, teal and black.
Let's go look at the toys. This is where I get in trouble, because I look at beautiful toys and I want one. Let's see what they have. There it is, a 26. Oh my lord. Okay, this looks better in person. Look at that. So you're debating your forest green for this one, huh?
Yes. Maybe. We'll see how the numbers go.
Oh.
I can handle that type pinstriping.
You like the pinstriping?
That type, yeah. You like weird things.
What weird things?
I don't know. weird things.
I'm getting criticized in public by my wife. It's okay. This is the CVO. No.
Yeah, I just saw that too.
What do you think, babe? Teach you how to ride that? All purple?
I could ride all purple. I don't like the price. Sorry.
All right, moving on to the next segment. Okay, you got to come to Lakeland Harley Davidson, and when you're buying accessories and stuff like that, you got to ask for Alexis. Alexis, say hi to the people on YouTube.
Hello.
She just showed me a few tricks I didn't know about my points. I'm not going to tell you. I'll tell you later. But
Funny,
Yeah.
if the wife took care of it, the wife would have been doing that already.
so she's trying to use her shopping habits as an excuse to save me money. Thank you, Alexis.
Of course.
You. She's mad at me again. Ooh, this looks sweet. But we're empty nesters, that's why. What's your name?
Hughes.
Was that?
Hughes.
You?
Yeah.
Joe.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, buddy. No, this is beautiful.
Appreciate it.
Oh, wow. How's she sound?
Amazing. Hold on one second.
Oh. It's not doing it justice on the camera.
When it's sunny, the flakes on that thing is amazing.
It pops out.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds nice. That's really nice, dude.
My favorite. Yeah. I love it. Yeah.
What's your name?
Ron Mack.
He just approaches me and says he sees me on YouTube. He's got to make better life choices.
Yeah.
No. So you ran into it?
Yeah. And what I like most about it is the scriptures that you don't deny God.
No, sir. I only think Christ is God Almighty.
Thank you. Especially nowadays, every
sir.
little thing is filtered.
Yes, sir.
And I know I subscribe, but is it Joe?
Yes, sir.
That's it. That's it.
So what channel are you watching?
Just your average Joe.
That's
it. Subscribe. Watch his channel. It's inspirational.
There you go.
All right.
I appreciate you, brother.
appreciate
Thank you so much.
Oh, and welcome to Florida.
Thank you, sir. You say he's gonna win a bike and teach Cindy how to ride? No, that's not true. He didn't say that. Margaret's looking like, you liar. You lie.
All right, Swins taking the ball. Anna Ronaldo, you're out. Which means our winner is your name, Samantha McKee. Samantha McKee is our winner of the 2025 Harley Davidson Racer. Thank you so much. Don't forget, we still got to draw the 50-50, so if you're in for the 50-50, we're drawing that next.
All right, so we're all done here with the winner and everything, and I'm gonna go ahead and ride with them. They're gonna take me over to Wesley Chapel Harley, right? Yeah. Checking out Wesley Chapel. Wesley Chapel Harley. That's what I meant. All right, that's where we're heading. Let's go. got over to Wesley Chapel Harley Davidson. And I had him cue that engine on purpose just for this video part, just letting you know. Let's go check it out. Oh, this place is nice. Oh, the toys. The lower fairings with the built-in light. I want to like it, but the purple is sick. No, I like the purple. Chop tour. It's a very nice dealership.
And it has a little.
Oh yeah.
Look at that orange. Yeah, I like that. The whole interfering color.
You know, it's like for my bike, I think I like the matte black on mine. I think if it's the same green as the rest of my bike, I think that'd just be a little bit too much.
It might be the yes. It might be the color.
I think
Definitely.
The color will dictate. Like this looks good like this. I like the purple. Like I mean,
Yes.
that one's purple.
Love that badge. I know. I know.
I like how they factory paint that. I mean, there's no way a robot does that. Those lowrider STs are pretty cool.
Yes. Oh, I'm glad Cindy's not here because then she would have gotten all that Christmas stuff. No. All right, so that was my ride over here. Pretty cool dealership, really big. I was kind of shocked how that it was. So I'm not sure if there's something going on around here, but this was awesome. One of the main things I always try to tell you guys is when I'm going out riding, it's the whole camaraderie. Find a purpose for your ride, the whole camaraderie and everything. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been in many, many rides, been in many, many dealerships, and I don't think I met as many people as I did today. And I just met these guys, as you already know from the last video, Dustin, Margaret. She's the one that was waving on the other video earlier. She was happy. But when we hadn't met them, and it just like a friendship blew out. Next thing I know, I'm going to the dealership that you guys call home, right?
It's our home dealership.
The Lakeland is their home dealership, and I met people there. But these are the guys I met, and it's all about the camaraderie, about the riding and everything. If you're wondering about which bike to get, or what should I ride, or what should it's this right here. Meeting people, going out riding. He took me on a really cool ride out over here, showed me where Wesley Chapel Harley is, and I'm going to be doing more rides with these guys. So I want to thank you guys very, very much. Honestly, I know the camera's on, but authentically, thank you.
Yeah.
This is very, very, very different. And the idea that Margaret was making sure that Cindy was there. Not just your average Joe, but the missus, which was huge for her. She was blessed by that. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, guys, find a purpose for your ride. Get the bike you want. Go out riding. Find a purpose for your ride. And then find people like this. Go to the rallies. Go to the events. Go to a charitable thing. Whatever you want to do. Just find the purpose for your ride. If this is the first time to the channel, you know how that works. That little subscribe thing. Hit the subscribe. Hit the bell. Follow. So that way I get to meet you maybe later on. And it supports me to be able to go ahead and do these types of things. God bless you. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, okay? Peace.